What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Wright from Extension. That's two N's in the middle, one at the end. Uverse Insurance, that's the Substack you can check out for any insurance-related information that might help you along your journey in filing a claim. Wanted to do a series of videos called What's Wrong with Insurance? And just some background. I'm a 14-year, 15-year claims professional. Spent time selling policies as a claims adjuster and managing teams of claims adjusters who handle both property damage, bodily injury, both unrepresented and attorney represented injury claims. And the point of this series is just going to touch on a couple of things that you should be aware of as you deal with insurance carriers. Now, the first install of this series that I want to talk about is how insurance companies use marketing and advertising to kind of lull you to sleep into thinking that they're on your side. So if you think about commercials, first and foremost, I can't think of an industry where the commercials are as humorous or disarming as they are in auto insurance. So, for example, if you think of Progressive, Geico, Allstate, Limu, all of their commercials are based in humor. There's nothing funny about claims. There's nothing funny about auto insurance. So again, when you think about their actual purpose, claims particularly, because that's what you pay insurance companies for, is to protect you in the event of a claim. So when you think about the humor in their commercials, yet in the real world, when you need to file a claim, ask yourself, have you ever had a claims experience that's made you smile, that's made you laugh? Very little to none. And we're talking about glass claims, emergency roadside assistance. But when it comes to filing a claim, when it comes to repairing your vehicle, when it comes to whether or not they pay you or pay somebody else, those experiences are almost never enjoyable or fun. So then you may ask yourself, why are their commercials so based in humor? It's to disarm you. It's into thinking that they're going to do anything other than what is basically the cold-hearted bottom line for any insurance company, which is lowest ultimate cost. This is an industry term that's used in determining how a claim gets handled, the lowest ultimate cost. That's why cars get totaled at roughly 75%. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention because it's something worth thinking about is why is their marketing based in humor? It almost makes you think of prescription drug companies where you'll see a commercial for a drug and people are ballroom dancing or they're at a barbecue having a good old time. But as you're seeing those images, they're telling you the 20 side effects that you may get from taking that medication: nausea, heart rate, diarrhea, heart attack, all kind of things that if you're listening, you're not really going to think of it as an enjoyable experience, but if you're watching, it's tricking you into thinking there's something enjoyable about it. So this is just part one in a series of videos I'm going to do. It's Uverse Insurance when you have to file a claim. So just understand that you're dealing with experts and professionals, so you might as well have an expert or professional on your side if you need one. So if you do, reach out to us at Extension. That's Extension with 3 N's, 2 in the middle, 1 at the end. Again, I'm Mr. Wright from Extension. Anything auto-related, auto claims related, don't hesitate to reach out. Make sure you're armed with information. Uverse Insurance, you can find us on Substack. Be informed and be aware, be prepared.